Hi, I'm Captain Will Miller with the Multihull Company. Today we're aboard the 2016 Leopard 44 owner's version, Miss Bohicket 5. From this helm position, you have excellent sight lines to all four corners of the boat. At the instrumentation panel, we have Raymarine multifunction displays complemented with a Garmin chart plotter. All of our running rigging is also easily accessed from this position. One of the nicest features of Miss Bohicket 5 is her intercoastal friendly mast height. Accessing the stack pack and sail bag from deck level is easy, and the sail bag was just replaced in 2022. Here in the starboard hull, we have our Rainman water making system. The pumps and filters are easily accessed and can keep up with all of your cruising demands while offshore. On the aft deck, we have 4 70-watt solar panels to keep your batteries topped up on a sunny day. So here we have our quick windlass, which has a freshwater washdown supply as the anchor chain is being raised or lowered. Here in the starboard bow locker, we have our 6 kilowatt Northern Lights generator. This is ideally situated away from the sleeping quarters to reduce noise, heat, and vibration. Here in the aft cockpit locker, we have our Viking 8-man life raft. This was recently serviced and is good through 2024. Miss Bohicket 5 features the upgraded Yanmar 45 horsepower engines along with SD60 sail drives. Another aftermarket feature is the Goldenrod anti-corrosion system. For full details and specifications, please check out our website at themultihullcompany.com.